For our first Java file, let's learn about the one piece every Java file needs, and that is a method called main. I have a brand new file up in Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to type out the main method. Some of this I'll explain later, but I'll type this first. Public static void main, then in parentheses, string args, couple of square brackets, and then an opening and closing curly bracket. And what does all this mean? First, the void indicates that this main method does not need to return a value, like a string or integer. So we can run whatever we want inside the curly brackets. The static keyword here indicates that we can call this method without creating an object for it. This will come into play later when we start to build classes and objects. The string args part I'll explain in the next topic, as that is an exam topic on its own. In the meantime, let's do something within the curly brackets of this main method. I'll type system.out.print welcome to Java and terminate the statement with a semicolon. Like a lot of other programming languages, we need a semicolon at the end of each statement. To run this, we first need to save this as a Java file. So I'll name this example 11a.java, as this is covering exam objective 1.1. Save it as a Java file. And right away, we have a red squiggly, an error coming up saying that a class, interface, or enum is expected. That's good, because we now will see the second piece we need with every Java app, and that is a class declaration that matches the file name. So I'll go to the top of the code, create a couple of blank lines, and then type class ex11a, and open a curly bracket. And you'll see it gives us a closing curly bracket right away. But I need to move this to the end of the code, so I'll cut and paste this, because all of this needs to be inside of the class. I'll save this file. And there doesn't appear to be any errors here, so I'll right-click the screen, click Run Code, and welcome to Java prints right here. Not bad for a very first Java app.